Last piece of the little Wedgwood Charnwood set that came our way. I've been listening through. This is the half-pint cream or milk jug from the tea set. Nice sort of urn shape, isn't it? Very pronounced spout mouldings on this one. Good condition all the way around the rims. Good gilt retention. Nicely decorated in the Charnwood pattern, which is quite characteristic and bright. Period Charnwood marks on the base, late 20th century, Wedgwood Bone China made in England with the pattern name clearly marked for us, in very fine condition, and no condition warnings or notes on this one at all, or fit into a mint condition set very, very nicely. So if you're looking for a replacement Wedgwood Charnwood half-pint milk jug in very good condition, we've got one available, and we'll pop a link in the description taking you through to the website listing where all the measurements, details and pricings will be available for this. We've got some teacup duos also available, and a large saucer I think came from probably the soup cup. So if you are looking for pieces of Charnwood specifically, do have a look through the website, as the catalogue's updating constantly as we add and sell pieces. Thanks for watching.